Hi, ladies. Cool. This is nice. Beautiful. This lady I met before. What do we have? Botanical alchemy. Wow. It's spices and honey. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So cute. Hello. Oh, so cute. Wow. Our DJ. Wow. Hello. Oh, this is cute. It's for probably 6 months, 7 months old. Hello. Oh, hello. Yes.
Have you heard of New York?
Yeah, it's springtime. It's springtime. I was here.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm a vendor actually. Yeah,
you're
a vendor.
Oh, okay.
She almost got stuck.
Jikas. Wow. Hello. I'm fine. I'm a vendor over there.
Doing it well?
Huh?
Are you doing well? Or?
So. Beautiful angels. Hello. Hi.
That's the lake right there.
The smell. I tried the soup. Really good.
Traditional size has meat.
Yeah,
So you're probably looking here.
big one.
or here.
Yeah. Yeah. This size, like this size doggy.
Yeah.
I had this one with my coffee. Thank you, ladies. So delicious. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's so delicious. Yeah.
Order online or
So cool. That guy in the corner.
candles. Is this for pizza? I was very busy and had no time to go through all rows. Yeah, it's quite big venue. Less people now. A lot of winter stuff. A lot of winter stuff. And this is some jewelry stones for kitchen. People sell everything they want. Hello. A lot of jams and different pickles. A lot of food mix. Because it's Christmas is coming. Amazing boxes and baskets with some food. Perfect food. Presents, gifts.
Yeah. So, I some of them have different, like